Hello students, now I'm going to explain 10th class Maths paper 2, chapter number 14, statistics, exercise 14.1. Already we have completed 5 problems children. Now 6th problem. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food for 25 households in a locality. So daily expenditures in rupees they have given like this children: 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250. So this is a exclusive data children. Why? Because whatever upper limit is there, that class next class lower limit same values are there children, and number of households are given like this. So he's asking to find the mean daily expenditure on food by using suitable method. So here what is the key point children? Mean. So given to find the mean daily expenditure on food by using suitable method for following data. So whatever is given children, this first row will become first column, means class intervals, and this number of households, second row will become frequencies, second column. So this is first of all grouped data children. We have to convert grouped into ungrouped data by your well known formula xi equal to ul plus ll by 2, means upper limit plus lower limit. 150 plus 100 is 250. 250 by 2. 250 by 2 means how much children here? Cancel. 2 ones are 2 to the 4 children. Again 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10. 2 1 the children here. 2 ones are 2. 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10. Means 125. So here 125 it will come children. Next column xi column is, so here h, what is the size of the class interval children? 150 minus 100 is 50. So you should add for resultant value 50 50 extra. If you do same process also, it is you will get answer children, but it is very complicated. So better add 50 for resultant result. So 125 plus 50 is 175, 175 plus 50 is 225, 225 plus 50 is 275, 275 plus 50 is 325. Is it clear children? Now we should go for DI method, deviation or step deviation will decide. First you should calculate DI equal to xi minus a children. Why? Because here xi values are big. Xi values are big. So here what is the middle number children? 225. So means what we should do here, xi minus 225 means 125 minus 225. Big number is having negative sign, so directly how much? Minus 100. Next 175 minus 225, how much? Minus 50. Why? Because big number having negative sign, means indirectly you should do subtraction. 225 minus 175. Here also 225 minus 125. So here 225, here 225, both are same. Minus means 0. Next 275 minus 225. So if you do direct subtraction here, positive number is big number is having positive sign, so directly will come 50. Next 325 minus 225. So direct answer is 100. So here all di's goes in same table children. So that's why you should go for step deviation method. Ui equal to xi minus a by h. So ui equal to xi minus capital A value, how much children we have taken? 225 by h value is 50. Means minus 100 by 50 is how much? Minus 2. Next minus 50 by 50 is how much? Minus 1. Next 0 by 50 is 0. 50 by 50 is 1. 100 by 50 is 2. Next we have to calculate fi ui children. So fi value is how much? So fi value is, see children, fi value how much is there? 4. 4 into minus 2 how much? Minus 8. Next 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 12 into 0 is 0 children. 2 into 1 2 children. 2 into 2 how much? 4. So now add all negative numbers children. Minus 8 minus 5 how much? Minus 13 children. Next 2 plus 4 is 6. So minus 13 plus 6, big number having minus sign, so write minus as it is. So minus 13 plus 6 how much children? Minus 7. Minus 7. So consider by using step deviation method. So x bar is equal to, what is the step deviation mean formula children? A plus h into sigma fi ui by n. So capital A value how much children? 225 we have taken, plus H value we got as 50, plus sigma Fi Ui how much we got from table, minus 7, by, if you add all these frequencies you will get how much children here? 25. So 25. So 25 1 the 25 2 the. So plus into minus how much children? Minus 2 into 7. 2 7 the 14. So 225 minus 14 how much children? 211. So the main daily expenditure on food is how much? Rupees 211. Rupees 211. So in this way you should do the problems children. Is it clear? Next, seventh one. To find out the concentration of SO2 in air in parts per million. In parts per million means ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So concentration of SO2 in parts per minute. So these are the class intervals is given children. These are the frequencies is given. So find the mean concentration of SO2 in air. So given to find the mean concentration of SO2 in air for following data. So whatever first row is given, it will become first column. Next frequency, second row will become second column. If you add all these frequencies, it will come how much? 30. Why? Because 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 9 26, plus 4 is 30. So go for same process children here also. Grouped data we have to convert into ungrouped data by using the formula xi equal to ul plus ll by 2. So what is upper limit children here? 0.04. Lower limit is 0.00 by 2. Means how much? 0.04 by 2. To under 2 0.02 the. So xi value is how much? 0.02. 0.02 children. So your class size also same children. If you do minus, what is the size here? 0.04 minus 0.00 is 0.04. So if you add 4 here, 0.06. If you add 4, 0.10. Add 4 here, 0.14. Add 4 here, 0.18. Add 4 here, 0.22. So we'll go direct method children. Whenever this point after two decimals are given, means it is complicated to do deviation and all step deviation methods. So FIXI. So 4 into 0.02 is 0.08 children. Why? Because 2 4 the 8. Next 9 into 0.06 is 6 9 the 54 means 0.54. Next 9 into 0.10 is 0.90. Next 2 into 0.14 means 14 to the 28 means 0.28. Next 4 into 0.18, it means 18 for the 72 means 0.72. Next 2 into 0.22 is 22 for the 44 means 0.44. So next you should do addition children. All is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. Write 6 here to carry. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. So write 9 here. So here write 2 means here 2.96. 2.96. So by using direct method we get x bar equal to sigma fi xi by n. So sigma fi xi how much got it children? 2.96 by n value we got 30. So do the cancellation with two table children. 2 15s are 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So 1.48 by 15 children. These can be written as point after two decimals means 148 by 100 by 15. So bring this 100 down children. It will become like this. So here 250 is a 2 7s are 2 4 the. Again 225 is a 2 3 are 2 7s are. Means 37 by 15 into 25. If you do multiplication children, how much we are getting? 375. So if you do division with 37 by 375, 375 37, point keep also not possible means write 0 here. 375 into 0 is 375 point to 0 is 0, means 370 minus 0 is 370. So already point is there, keep 0 here again. So 375 nines are, if you are doing means you are getting 3375. If you do subtraction you are getting 325. Already point is there, keep 0. Again 375 is if you are doing means you are getting 3000. What is the remainder? 250. So what you are getting here children? 0.098. So therefore the mean concentration of SO2 in the air is 0.098 parts per minute, means ppm. Is it clear children? Next, eighth one. A class teacher has the following attendance record of 40 students of a class for whole term. Find the mean number of days a student are present out of how much children? Out of 56 days in term. 56 days in a term. 56 days in term. So number of days is given like this children, 35 to 38, 38 to, so it is whatever number is there, that number is there in next class children. So it is clearly exclusive data. So given to find mean number of days for the following data children, for the following data. So the first row becomes first column, second row will become second column. So it is grouped data children. We have to convert into ungrouped data by using formula xi equal to ul plus ll by 2. So what are upper limit children here? 38. Lower limit is 35. 38 plus 35 how much children? 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 73 by 2. So do the cancellation children here. 2 3s are 6. Next 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10. So 36.5. So 36.5 children. So what is the class size here children? 38 minus 35 is 3. Means add 3 for current result children. 36 plus 3 is 39. 39 plus 3 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. And 45 plus 3 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 plus 3 is 54. So write points as it is, 0.5. So next go for DI children. Why? Because they are decimal scheme. So what is the middle value here children? 45.5. So 36.5 minus 45.5, how much children? Big number having minus symbol means minus 9. Next 39.5 minus 45.5 is minus 6. Next 42.5 minus 45.5 is minus 3. Next 45.5 minus 45.5 is 0. Next 48.5 minus 45.5 is 3. Next 51.5 minus 45.5 is 6. 54.5 minus 45.5 is 9. So all DIs goes in same table children. Go for UI equal to xi minus a by h. So xi minus 45.5 by h value how much we got children? Size is 3. So minus 9 by 3 is how much? Minus 3. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. So 0 by 3 is 0. 3 by 3 is 1. 6 by 3 is 2. 9 by 3 is 3. So FIUI means 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 children. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 4 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 10 into 2 is 20. 11 into 3 is 33. So here children, first add all these negatives. So 4 plus 6, 10 plus 3 minus 13. Add positives. So 33 plus 7 is 40. 40 plus 20, 60. So minus 13 plus 60. How much children? Plus 47. Plus 47. So consider by using step deviation method, mean formula x bar equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui by n. So a value we have taken 45.5 plus h value how much we got 3 into sigma fi ui we got from table 47. Capital N value, if we add all these frequencies, how much we are getting? 40. So 3 into 47 by 40 children. So if you multiply 3 into 47, how much you are getting? 141. So how like you multiply children? 47 3 3 7 are 21. 3 4 the 12 plus 2 is 14. 141 by 40. So not goes in same table, do the division children. So 43 the 120. So remainder is 21. Keep the point and write 0 here. 45 the 200. So remainder is 10. So how much you got children? 3.5. So if you add these two, you are getting 5 plus 5 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 4. 49.0 is nothing but 49. So mean number of days is how much? 49 children. Next and last question in this exercise children. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So this is the information given to children. Your upper limit and your lower limit are same. So it is exclusive data. So given to find the mean literacy rate for the following data. So this first row will become first column, second row will become second column, and if you add this all frequencies, it is coming 35. So xi value, how much children? So ungrouped data, see this is grouped data children, convert into ungrouped data by using formula xi equal to ul plus ll by 2. Ul is how much children? 55 plus llm is how much? 45 by 2. 55 plus 45 is 100 children. 100 by 2 how much? 50. So what is the size of the class children here? 55 minus 45 10. So add 10 to current value. 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 10 70, 70 plus 10 80, 80 plus 10 90. So next calculate di children. Di is equal to xi minus a. What is the middle value children? 70. So 50 minus 70 how much children? Minus 20. Big number having minus symbol, that's why minus here it will come children. Next to 60 minus 70 is minus 10 children. Next to 70 minus 70 is 0. 80 minus 70 is 10. 90 minus 70 is 20. So here all di's goes in same table. So go for ui children. Xi minus a by h. Xi minus 70 by h value is 10 children. Already we got here. So minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. 0 by 10 is 0. 10 by 10 is 1. 20 by 10 is 2. So fi ui. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. 11 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. See children here, directly if you add minus 6 plus 6 cancel. So if you go for here, minus 10 plus 8 how much? Big number having minus. So minus 2. Sigma fi ui value is minus 2 children. So consider by step deviation method x bar equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui by n. So here a value how much we have taken? 70 plus h value how much children? 10 we got. Sigma fi ui is minus 2 by capital N value is 35. So 5 sevens are 5 twos are children. So here plus into minus is minus. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. 70 minus 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 if you do division children. So in 7 table 4 not possible, keep the point. So 7 5 the 35. So 40 minus 35 is 5, means 0.5 children. So if you do subtraction 70 minus 0.5 like this you should do. You should keep point and you should keep 1 0. So take borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. Borrow we are taken. So less one value means 7 will become 6. 69.5. So this is in this way you should do the mean problems children. In next session I will explain mean and mode children. Okay.